My name is Mark Dalgleish and I'm the owner of Sydney Harbour Boat Tours. I've lived on the harbour for over 20 years. I've been boating for even longer, sailing, swimming, diving here. And the whole premise of Sydney Harbour Boat Tours was to show visitors to Sydney those secret spots that I went to as a boy and I took my family to, places that you just wouldn't see if you just did the tourist trail. My guess is travel's changed forever, and when international travellers do return to Australia, many are going to be looking for more boutique experiences, more authentic, small group. There's so much for them to see. It's a real amalgam of amazing city with some absolutely iconic landmarks. But more than that, there is incredible nature within 10 kilometres of the Harbour Bridge. We've got seal colonies, we're seeing visiting dolphins, all this right on our doorstep. And there's 1,000 acres of national park right around Sydney Harbour. So it's a real mix between city and nature. Looking after travellers' well-being is critical in any service business. We are adhering to any COVID protocols. The boats are in immaculate condition, and I think this gives passengers and guests real peace of mind. Sustainability is a key part of our offer. We're eco-certified and just make sure our guests understand the relationship between man and the environment. One of the things that we really want to show our international guests when they come back is the amazing whale migration just off the coast of Sydney. There's no sight more magnificent and humbling than seeing a 40-tonne humpback whale breach just outside the heads, 10 kilometres from the Harbour Bridge, and just it puts everything into perspective.